trailer alone, medyo sabi ko, oh, I'm looking forward to watching this. So it's a special screening po happening very soon. You get the same invitation po from our promo team. Okay, seeing the trailer, any comment na parang, siyempre you've seen it na before, pero seeing it, watching it with the whole media people, how does it feel? Ibang feeling kasi, di ba, na kasama, nakikita mo yung immediate reaction ng mga kasama natin sa media, Miss Isabel.
Parang, ngayon lang ako na-nervyos. Tapos iniisip ko ano yung makikita nila, na hindi nila magugustuhan. And habang pinapanood ko, parang naiintriga ako na sana magugustuhan, ano kaya yung susulat, tungkol dito. Pero nakikita ko kanina yung sarili ko, not me, but the character in the movie.
Yun naman talaga dapat, diba? As an actress. Just speaking of actress, at 60 years mo sa industry, talagang this is your most challenging dito Oscar, ano?
So far, I can consider it yet more challenging. Kasi pwede mo pumunang ng talaga.
Okay.
Pero actions na, tsaka mata lang yung pinagalaw, yung buhay. I have to thank him pala si Buboy. I'm sorry,
Neil
not
Tan.
being here today. Diba? Tsaka si Gino. So, kami na lang.
Kanina nga, I was watching, sabi ko, ina-identify ko yung cast. Si Gino, si Mina Castillo, si Julie, of course, si Julian Fortige, yung una. Correct, nakakatuwa lang. Marami pa pong mga cast. Jed Alcantara is also here. Okay. So, pupuntahan na natin yung ano. When we started blasting, inviting our friends from the media, siyempre, hindi naman talaga siya familiar sa atin. But today, finally na-meet na natin siya. Miss Isabel, kwentuhan mo kami. Sino si Miss Isabel CPA?
I am a mother of 4, happily married. My children are all in the United States. My husband is there. Aside from that, I am modeling for Mr. Oscar Peralta. Exclusive for Mr. Oscar Peralta. I'm his fashion news without any contract. Yeah. So, maliban dyan, what kept me busy? Because I started working at 16 years old. I raised my siblings, my mom. Not raised my mom, but I helped my mom. And I raised 4 kids. So 3 years ago, so I'm 51 right now, my husband told me, nung umalis na yung pangatlong anak sa bahay to go to college, sabi niya, it's you time. Do whatever you think to make you happy and successful. Yung talagang gusto mo. Because I've seen you work all the time we were together. I know you started early. So parang, ikaw naman, kung magtatrabaho ka, para naman sa sarili mo. So now I am semi-retired. I am still working as a part-time person. Pero I am Vice President at Sullivan Publishing sa San Francisco, California. Pero semi-retired na no. And yung ginagawa ko ngayon ay exclusively model for Mr. Oscar Peralta. And happy ako, masaya ako. And if given the chance na magkaroon pa ulit ng panibagong movie, happy pa rin ako. Kasi parang ito yata yung gusto ko that I never dreamed of. It never crossed my mind since I was young. Because growing up, I know I don't have it to be an actress. You know, the height, the look, with everything. Parang hindi ako yan. But I look up to them. Lalo na si Panaluman is my favorite. So hindi ko inisip. Pero masaya pala. Alam mo yung, I feel proud of myself. I feel beautiful. I went to a wedding last month. I was introduced by my aunt as artista na pamangkin. And then someone asked, saan? Pero yung saan na yung parang malaking question mark. So ang sinagot ko sa kanya ay sa international po.
Wow, oh, di ba? Ganun naman talaga. Talagang for international release naman ang pelikula.
Parang naisip ko, kasi hindi mo ako kilala sa Pilipinas, magiging international ang La Villa. Parang naisip ko lang yun to answer her question. She gave me that, saan question. Naisip ko international. And then, later on, sabi ni Tito Ed, Isabel, tanggap yung movie natin sa Canada Film Festival. So sabi ko, ay, hindi ako nagsinungaling at hindi ako nanloko. International na ang Labiuna.
Diba?
So, yun, that's who I am. And another thing is, growing up, I don't want to tell my story, but I come from a very poor family. And God has blessed me with things more than what I need for the basic. So sabi ko sa asawa ko, I want to do something that makes me happy. So I'm building up a foundation. Tapos naisip ko, I don't want to work in an office anymore. Sabi ko, I want to do something that could help people, pero nag-i-enjoy ako. So yeah, naisip namin when we put up Bella Production with all the other people, yung share ko in this production, naisip ko, I think this is God's plan for me. That's why inayos niya ang buhay ko. That's why I'm blessed. Maybe gagamitin niya ako to help other people. So, the portion of what I will make will be donated solely to Ephesus Foundation. It's the home for abused girls.
Wow.
So, yun yung advocacy ng production and my advocacy.
So it has always been there, the acting in a film or in television. Kasi the fact na you were given the freedom na may go signal na ni Javi na parang it's your time to do something else na magpapasaya sa'yo. And you went on with this, you pushed through with this film production, and ikaw pa yung acting. So, andyan lang siya, Miss Stella, you think so? Isabel, sorry, what am I saying? This Isabel, so andyan lang yung acting talagang, ito na lang yung talagang, binigay mo na lang talaga na gagawin ko na yung gusto ko.
Ang nasa isip ko dito when I did this, parang kasi there was a time that I prayed because I was modeling for Mr. Oscar Peralta. My children are based in America. Ang asawa ko nandun. So parang, there was a time, I'm happy, I'm not saying I'm not, but what do you want me to do? Bakit mo ko pinauwi ng Pilipinas to spend more time with Mr. Oscar instead of my husband? Bakit pumapayag siya, but okay lang sa kanya? And lagi sinasabi ng asawa ko, whatever you do, I'm proud of you. So, I prayed. I asked for a sign. Parang, ano ba talaga ang gusto mong gawin ko? I want to help people. I want to have my own foundation. I want to work with Mr. Oscar Peralta. Pero parang may kulang yet or something. So, give me a sign. And then after, then I went back to the United States. Sabi ko, dito na lang muna ako. Then Mr. Oscar Peralta, Oscar. Yeah, so he called me. Tapos sabi niya, Isabel, pinangarap ko bang maging artista? Tapos sabi ko, hindi po. Tapos sabi niya, because meron akong nakausap, a very good friend of mine, si Tito Edital Field. Meron siyang gustong i-offer sa akin na magkasama tayo. Sabi niya, di ba pangarap natin? There was a time we talked about artista kaya tayo because napanood ko yung movie niya with Fanny Serrano. Napanood ko yung Tarima. So nag-uusap
ko movie?
Tarima. I watched it. So anong sinabi niya mag-artista, sabi niya kung makakauwi ka lang, I went home. Kilala ko si Tuel, nakilala ko si Direk Buboy. At first, it didn't work out because nabinigay na script, tapos parang hindi para sa akin. So I thought wala na. But maybe, you know, the sign na nakita ko that maybe this is the path that God wants me to go is when the first script didn't work out, I said no. Parang iba na lang. Huwag na lang ako. Nagpo-produce kami. Pero yung script, it's not me. And then what happened is, biglang sinabi ni Direk, no, I'll make a script for you, yung bagay sa personality mo, so gumawa siya. Next meeting, nung nabasa ko yung script, nabasa ni Tito Oscar, nag-agree kami. Kaya po tayong dalawa, this is really us. Gusto rin niyo yung character. So maybe I'm wrong or maybe tama ako. I feel like this is a sign from God. This is what He wants me to do. Kasi mas